Ice me out.
Okay, so I'm going to show how to achieve this blue eyeliner today, and I'm going to start off with some lip gloss just because I like to have lip gloss when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know why, and my hair is not completely finished, so don't judge it right now. I just wanted to have my makeup done before I like start cutting into it. This is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. It's called Cookie Butter. And the rest of this is the Ruby Kisses Honey Bunny. I'm putting a lot of gloss on. This is some type of diamond glow. And then this is a metallic lip color. Okay, and we finna jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so we're taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're gonna take the two browns. And all we're gonna do is place that right here. It's like, it's kind of in the crease, but it's a little bit above the crease, but not like too above the crease. You see how I'm not taking it too far up? And we're gonna just keep blending it out. Okay, taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Natural, I'm gonna begin to cut my crease. Lightly, I'm gonna add in this dark brown on top of the cut crease, so where it like kind of have like the cut crease standing out. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is take this it's like a glitter liner or whatever, and it's a liquid glitter. And so we're gonna place that on the lid. And I got this from the beauty supply. And we're gonna mix it with like a white loose powder. So with this glitter glue, all we are doing is filling in the space that we created as a cut crease. So next thing we're going to do is take this tape to create a wing liner. And we're going to do a blue wing liner today. When I was first doing this, I originally was using my blue like lipstick to like do the wing liner. But now I'm just going to utilize like a black liner. But you could do either or. Okay, taking another glitter glue. It's not a glitter glue, but glitter liquid. And then I'm gonna mix that with this dark blue glitter. So this is how it looks. And then this is how the liquid glitter looks. It's like a light blue. And all I'm gonna do is dip that in the dark blue and add it onto my wing. So I already have like a black wing, but on top of it, I'm gonna throw the blue glitter. So next I'm gonna prep my lash to place my eyelash on. You ain't doing no ugly face when you putting your mascara on. You not, or you really placing your eye mascara on? Okay, so we're gonna have this lash. We're utilizing this lash today. Just put a little glue. And that's the eye. I have to add a little bit more foundation. Oh man. Don't do makeup and wear a white shirt. But anyway, so now we're gonna go to the cream contour. We're just gonna put a little bit under the eyes. And this is the taupe shade. Then I'm gonna mix it with the Anastasia. I'm utilizing this. And I like to mix it just so it can make my eyes just a little bit, well, under eyes just a little bit brighter. So this is where the contour is gonna go. This is the Anastasia. Again, I'm using this bottom row and I'm mixing the two. And we're blending it in. Okay, let's blend it in. Okay, now we have that. I'm going to use the Anastasia setting powder. And basically, I'm going to take the dark powder over where we place the darker cream contour. And then lighter powder over where we place the lighter cream contour. And this is the Sasha Buttercup. Taking the Anastasia Glow Kit. It's kind of cracked, so I can't really show you. It's just a gold. It's the hot sand. I can show. I'm gonna put a picture. I keep cracking my highlighters, so I'm sorry. I don't really take care of my stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Still learning to be responsible, I guess. And now I'm taking the Anastasia. One of them kind of cracked a little bit on me, but I'm taking this and the purple. Okay, I'm gonna add in the highlight one more time. After that, we take our mascara and put some bottom lashes on it.